Hello friends, welcome again to Seated Solved Question Paper 2019. Now, as we are going to see the 106 question, so we'll see the 106 question. Answer the following questions by selecting the same appropriate option out of the given options. Which of the following statements are teaching of grammar? A. Teaching of rules at the initial stage does not lend much to language learning. Rules of grammar are essential during the formative years of language learning. Grammar teaching should move from meaning to form. Grammar teaching should avoid move from to meaning. So the option 4 will be correct, that is statement A and C. Why it is correct means at the initial stage of teaching, the grammar rule does not help in language learning, as a child is not very familiar with the language. Moreover, grammar teaching should be more from meaning to meaning of a particular concept. So the option 4 will be the correct one. Next, 107 question. Teacher draws the attention of learners to individual sounds, words, then sentences while teaching the listening skill. What approach to listening does the teacher adopt? So the options will be bottom up approach, top down approach, elastic approach, and communicative approach. The option 1 will be the correct answer, since the teacher is adopting bottom up approach while teaching the listening skills. Bottom up approach involves beginning with the component parts of the subject and gradually building up the whole. So the first one will be the correct one. Next, the teacher along with her learners writes the name of objects in the classroom, like door, blackboard, windows, etc. in their mother tongue, and in English on pieces of paper, and paste them on the objects for the learners to notice the words. What is the teacher trying to do? So the option 3 will be the correct answer. The teacher is creating a print language rich environment in the classroom. Actually, the teacher is creating a language rich environment in the classroom by using both the mother tongue and the English to show the names of the objects along with their names. Okay, now we'll go to the 109 question. This is assumed to be the major difference between the language acquisition and learning. So the options will be language acquisition in meaning formation and language learning in meaning making meaning. Language acquisition is natural and language learning is deliberate instructed. Language acquisition happens to an early stage while language learning takes place later. Language acquisition always happens in the mother tongue and language learning happens in the second language. So the option 2 will be the correct one. So option language actually is natural. Every learner acquires it by birth. Language learning of other than Max tongue is a deliberate attempt. It is learned consist efforts, and with the help of instruction, the teacher enables to see the difference. Okay, now 110 LAC stands for language across the curriculum, language acquisition, culture, language across the cultures, language acquisition of content. So the option 1 will be the correct one, language across the curriculum. So viewers, please subscribe this channel to view more number of question papers. Thank you.